We have a 2012 62 Reg Honda CR-V. It's the 2.2 diesel and it's an automatic. It's the EX model, so it's got loads and loads of extras and it's in very nice condition all the way around, apart from this was being involved in an accident which is classified as a category S. So panoramic roof, very nice, power fold mirrors, decent alloy wheels with very good tyres. It's got xenon headlights, it's got the power washers at the front as well, and there's no damage at all down this side, nice, straight and clean. Same with the bonnet, down the front bumper, and down this side is great as well. It is lovely and clean. It's actually a nice, very nice car. It's got 46,000 miles on it. It's got 2 keys, Honda service history, so it should be. So this is our damage here. So it's category S for some kind of structural, which normally means it's been a bit squashed. But on this case, it's really, really minor. That's all I can see that's been caught on it there, that little tiny bit. It normally squashes them up around here. Nothing underneath. It looks like it's squashed that plastic protector slightly. And that is it. Obviously it's going to need a new rear bumper, reflector, mud guard, and this will need to be painted and tidied as well, this rear trim, and it's a little tiny mark on it there which will be touched up. I'm not going to paint the whole tailgate just for that. So touch that bit up, paint this lower trim, paint the bumper, and inside it's nice and clean. Someone's actually looked after it. They've got one of these boot tidy tray things. Behind there, open that, it's got the spare wheel, and there's no damage there at all, not squashed and bent. So a category S, but a really, really minor one. So down there, nice and straight and clean, and in the back of it, that's super lovely in there. That's got the full leather in it, and these kind of click and fold into different positions, so you can have seats for different journeys. In the front, same continued, nice and clean. It's actually very dark blue leather. It looks black probably on the pictures, but it's very dark blue, and it's very nice. And in there it's got the USB connection. It's got heated seats. It's got the sat nav with a DVD, which has also got a rear reversing camera. It's got dual climate control. It's got auto lights, auto dimming rear view mirror, auto wipers, cruise control, telephone kit. Pretty much you name it, it's got it. So price wise, this one I think is booked around £10,500 to £11,000. 46,000 miles of full service history is great. So, but this one has got a category in it, so it has to be cheaper. I'm guessing around the £8,000 mark wouldn't be a bad price for it, and it'll make some a very nice car for literally getting a new bumper, clipping it on, painting it, that trim, that touched up, reflector, and a mud guard, and that is it.